Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert and today I will talk about a herb called Gokshur. So let's start. Gokshur ko mutra krich anil haranam, which means Gokshur is used to get relief from retention of urine and vata. And it is an ancient herb used for thousands of years for its immense qualities. Next, we'll talk about its varieties. There are mainly two varieties of Gokshur in Ayurvedic ancient text. That is number one, Gokshura, that is Tribulus terrestris, and number second, Brihat Gokshura, that is Pedalium murex. Next, we'll talk about its classical synonyms. Number one, Gokshura, because the fruits of the Gokshura resemble like a cow hooves. Number second, Planksh, that means its fruits of Gokshura injures the flesh with its sharp spine. Number third, Trikantak, because of its three-pronged. Then Ikshugandh, because of its sugarcane-like smell. Then Swadukantak, because its spinous fruit has sweet taste. And then Kantaphala, because its fruits have spines. Next, we'll talk about its vernacular name. Number one, in English, it is known as Tribulus and Pancharvine. In Sanskrit, it is known as Gokshura or Trikantak. In Hindi, Gokhra or Chota Gokhra. In Bengali, Gokshur and Gokhri. In Gujarati, Gokhra and Nahan. In Kannada, Neglu. In Marathi, Sarate or Kate Gokhru. Next, we'll talk about its classical categorization. According to Acharya Charak, Gokshur is classically categorized under Mutra Virechniya. That means it cleans and detoxifies the urinary system. Then Shothara, because it reduces inflammation. And then Anuvasan Upag, that means it is useful in Basti, or also we can say medicated enema. And according to Acharya Sushruta, Gokshur is classically categorized under Vidari Gandhadi, Virtarv Adi, Laghu Panchmul, Kantak Panchmul, and Vat Ashmari Bhedan. Next, we'll talk about some ancient words of Gokshura. Krichra Ashmari Meha Vidahi Nashino Rasayano Tatra Vrihad Guna Utrah. That means it manages dysuria, lithiasis, urinary disorders, and burning syndrome. And then Gokshuro Shitlah Swadurbal Krid Vasti Shodhanah. That means Gokshura is cool in nature, sweet in taste, gives strength, and cleans the intestines. Then Madhuro Deepno Vrishya Pushtid Scha Ashmari Hara. That means Gokshura has sweet juice, aphrodisiac, increases appetite, and it is also nutritious, and it also manages kidney stones. Then Prameha Shwaskas Arshah Krichra Hrid Rog Unnat. That means it also manages diabetes, asthma, cough, piles, urinary tract infection, or we can say UTI, heart disease, and flatulence. Then Trikantakasya Bijanam Churnam Makshik Sayuntam Avikshiren Saptam Ashmari Bhedanam Pibet. That means the powder of the Gokshur seeds should be mixed with honey and goat milk and consumed to get rid of the stones. Then its morphology. It is a shrub that spreads on the ground, and its branches are 2 to 3 feet long and spread all around. Its leaves looks like a gram leaves, and its leaflets are about in 4 to 7 pairs, and they are asymmetrical. Its flowers are small, yellow in color and opposite to the leaves. Its fruits are spherical with 4 to 12 woody segments, light greenish yellow in color. Seeds. Each segment of the Gokshur contains seeds. Then its roots, it is 4 to 5 inches long, grey in color and thread-like and slightly fragrant. Then we'll talk about its habitat. It occurs throughout the India and also in Sri Lanka and West Tibet, and can also be found in arid climates region around the world like in Mexico, Spain, China and southern USA. Next, we'll talk about scientific classification. Its kingdom is Plantae, subkingdom is Phanerogames, subdivision is Angiosperm, class is Dicotyledons, family Zygophiliaceae, genus Tribulus, and species is Pteris. Next, we'll talk about the pharmacological properties of Gokshara. Number one, its ras, that means taste. It is madhura, sweet in taste. Guna, it is heavy and smooth. Virya, it is cold in potency. Vipak, that means post-digestion effect is sweet. Prabhav, it balances all three dosha, Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Next, we'll talk about its chemical constituents. Gokshara contains saponins, flavonoids, disogenin, hermine. Then we'll talk about properties of Gokshara. It is Vrishya, that means aphrodisiac. Three dosha ghana, it balances all the three dosha. Agnikrit, improves digestion. Shula ghana, it relieves pain. Kritra ghana, relieves difficulty in urination. Rasayani, that means it is rejuvenating. Balakrit, that means it improves strength. Pushtikrit, improves body nourishment. Kas Unat, that means it is useful in cough. Arsh Unat, useful in piles. Next, we'll talk about its therapeutic properties. It has diuretic, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, anti-obesity, antimicrobial, aphrodisiac and anti-proliferative properties. Next, we'll talk about the effect of the Gokshara on a different system. Number one, on cardiovascular system. It may strengthen the heart muscles and keeps lipids and other debris out of the blood vessels, thereby preventing atherosclerosis because of its antioxidant properties. On digestive system, it can enhance the absorption of vital nutrients and improves digestion by stimulating the secretion of the digestive juices. On respiratory system, it has kapha sedative properties, that is why it helps in reducing the symptoms of the respiratory disorders. In urinary system, it is lithomatic and diuretic. It has diuretic action due to the presence of the potassium salt and alkalis in sufficient quantity. Then on reproductive system, due to its aphrodisiac property, it helps to boost the vitality and energy. Then we'll talk about its part used. The most common and the most effective part of the Gokshara is its fruit and root. Then we'll talk about its dosage. Kvat, that means decoction, is about 50 to 100 ml. Then churn, that means powder, is about 3 to 6 gram. Then we'll talk about its special classical formulations. Goksharadi Churn, Goksharadi Avleh, Goksharadi Gugul, Goksharadi Kvat or Dashmula Arisht. Then we'll talk about its some home remedies. Number 1. In urinary disorders, take 1 teaspoon of Gokshar powder and boil it in 2 cups of water and mix half teaspoon of Dashmula Arisht and half teaspoon of honey in it and have it once a day to get rid from the urinary disorders. Then in liver diseases, take 1 teaspoon of each Gokshar powder, Kutki, Bhumi Amla and Punarnava and then boil it in 2 cups of water and have it when it reduces to half cup. Have it once a day. Then for low libido, take half teaspoon of Gokshar powder and half teaspoon of Shilajit powder and add milk in it. Then in diabetes, take half teaspoon of each Gokshar, Gurmar and turmeric and take it with lukewarm water and have it once a day. Then we'll talk about how Gokshure works in cancer. Gokshure might be useful for cancer as it induces apoptosis while leaving the non-cancer cells unharmed. It also has anti-proliferative property and might reduce the growth of the cancer cells. Then Gokshure for infertility. Gokshure is considered as a potent aphrodisiac and might increase the sexual desire in men. Active phytochemicals present in the Gokshure improves the level of the testosterone as well as the overall quality and quantity of the sperm. Then Gokshure for erectile dysfunction. Saponins, which are present in the Gokshure, helps in managing erectile dysfunction as it strengthens the penile tissue and enhances penile erection. In one of the studies, Gokshure extract showed a significant increase in ICP or intracavernous pressure, that is a physiological marker for erectile function. Gokshure helps in boosting energy, vitality, and also strengthens the penile tissues, which enhances penile erection due to its guru, that means heavy, and vrishyas, that means aphrodisiac properties. Then Gokshure for libido. Gokshure helps improve libido and boost vitality in both men and women due to its vrishyas, that means aphrodisiac properties. Then Planet Ayurveda products which contains Gokshure, Tribulus Power, Gokshure powder and Gokshuradi Gugul. Thank you. I hope you all like this information about Gokshure, and if you have any queries regarding anything, you can just directly mail us at herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thank you.
Getting the benefits of natural Ayurvedic treatment is so easy now. No worries about traveling and lodging expenses. No need to delay your traveling plan to India or any other country for doctor's appointment due to other work commitments. No stress of embassy and other legal permissions. Save your time and money. Avail online good, effective Ayurvedic consultation from top Ayurveda experts at www.planetayurveda.com. Your best friend for a healthier, happier and wealthier life. Experienced team of Ayurveda doctors with effective skills to help you follow Ayurvedic principles of healthy living. Private, personalized and online mode of consultation in the comfort of your home. Exclusive Ayurvedic clinics, centers, branches and outlets worldwide. Worldwide home delivery of pure natural herbal supplements available. Book video consultation now with MD Ayurveda experts. Call or drop a WhatsApp message on any of the helpline numbers on your screens. Fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, ulcerative colitis, ITP, chronic kidney, skin, lung diseases, neck, back, knee pains, arthritis, psoriasis, migraine, gynae problems, diabetes, belly fat, scleroderma, various types of cancers or any problem. Only one solution, www.planetayurveda.com. Not just this, adopt and follow natural Ayurveda and spread it with people around you for a healthier and disease-free planet. For franchisee, visit now www.planetayurveda.com.